Good day everyone. Today I would like to present the four kinds of tools. First we have electrostatic discharge tools, hand tools, cleaning tools, and diagnostic tools. So let's begin with electrostatic discharge tools. Anti-static reserve. Anti-static reserve is a safety tool that helps to prevent the accumulation of static electricity flows to sensitive electronic or other equipment and devices. It is also used for cleaning computers and worn on wrist, and make sure the computer is off before you do that for your safety. Anti-static mat. Anti-static mat is used along with anti-static resistant trap that safeguards an individual or piece of equipment like computers from an electrostatic discharge. It is also used to place computer parts as you remove them, such as motherboard and expansion cards. Let's move on. Hand tools. Next, first we have flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver is used to tighten or loosen that has linear notch in their head. Next, we have Phillips head screwdriver. It's also used for tighten and loosen screws that has cross head on their head or positive side. Next, we have Torx driver. Torx driver is shaped like six-pointed star that requires star beads to install them. Next, we have hex driver. Hex driver is used to tighten bolts that have hexagonal or six-sided head. Next, let's move on. Needle nose pliers. Needle nose pliers is used to hold small parts or also used for grasping and bending thin wires. Next, we have wire cutter. Wire cutter is used to cut and strip wires, and it looks like nipper with sharp edge or blade for cutting. Tweezers. Tweezers is used to manipulate small parts and usually held between the thumb and index finger. Next, we have part retriever. Part retriever is used to get small parts on unreachable locations or narrow places. Flashlight. Flashlight is used to lighten locations or areas where you cannot see. We need battery to make it work. Let's move on. Cleaning tools. First, we have lint free cloth. It is a special type of cloth used to clean computer parts or without getting ESP. Next, we have compressed air. Compressed air is used to remove dust and debris on the equipment without touching the equipment. Part organizer. Part organizer is used to hold small parts and prevent them from getting mixed, and also it's used to organize fasteners or screws. Cable ties. Cable ties is used to organize cables to avoid getting tangled. It is commonly made of plastic, nylon, or rubber. Let's move on. Diagnostic tools. First, we have multimeter. Multimeter is used to measure electrical quantities such as voltage, current, and resistance. We have black test probes for negative and red test probes for positive. The red test probes goes here and the black is here. So let's move on to loopback adapter. Loopback adapter is used to test ports like parallel USB and network ports to identify network and network interface card issues.